Good morning, students. Hope you are keeping fine at home. So, today I would like to discuss with you in this class about the poem titled as From a Railway Carriage. From a Railway Carriage. This poem is written by Robert Louis Stevenson. He is an Scottish novelist. Now, Scottish novelist, poet, essayist, and travel writer. Now, last point you need to pay attention, that travel writer. With this, the poem is connected with that traveler writer. Now, while he was traveling by train, he comes across the scenery, the scenery outside, the view, the sight that he comes across. He makes it in a poem. He writes with a poetic form, and it becomes a poem. And so here we have, so he writes this poem from the railway carriage. As he is sitting in the train, in the carriage means sitting in the train near the window side and viewing outside, seeing outside, and he sees what all the things he sees, and he wants to enjoy things, and he explains all those things in this poem. This is what the main thing about this poem is. Now, let us go into the poem now. Faster than fairies, faster than witches. Now, so he makes the comparison of the train. Train is compared with fairies. Train is compared with witches. Now, fairies and witches, these are the spiritual. They are not at all physical. They have no physical form. They are the spirit. They are the spirit, and so they can be anywhere. Why I said spirit is because spirit only can be, not spirit, that the spirit, which is the spirit, which is it can be anywhere. Spirit. It has got no physical form, no physical body like we and you have, I and you have. So these fairies and witches, they are spirit, and so they can be present anywhere. They can move from one place to another place within wink of an eye. That is it is there. And so train is compared with the fairies and witches. Bridges and houses, hedges and ditches, charging along like troops in the battle. So train is moving along all this through these villages, houses. He's seeing the houses, hedges. Hedges means the boundaries of the plant. Boundaries is made by the small plant. They are called hedges. They are not boundary wall like we have in our schools. Boundary wall, and so it is encamped. It's a compound wall. So it is that enclosure. So those are hedges. If you have seen, if you have gone to what called Gandhi Park in Rampura, we have Gandhi Park, and in the park, if you go, there are hedges along the road. Along the road pathways, there are hedges in both the sides. Hedges that very nicely trimmed and cut and made the hedges. They are called hedges. So hedges is running like a troop of battle, like a battle troops. Troop means what? It's a collective noun. Troop. It's a group of soldiers running. So that is what he is comparing with. All through the meadows, horses and cattle. On the sides of hills and plains, fly as thick as driving rain. And so all these things, when they are going, I see the mountains, hills, the plains, the meadows, horses and cattle in the meadows grazing. Beautiful to see. But all they pass by. They fly by like a thick rain. The rain comes and goes. So also these sights, these views, the beautiful scenery is there. So he's comparing, he's making a comparison, and then characterizing that they are faster. What is this? All these are momentary. In a flash, they come and go. That is what is the characteristics of this. All the views that he sees from the railway carriage, all that from the railway compartment, all these are in a flash, they come and go. They fly by. They are not static. They are not stable. They are all running. As train is moving, they are. And ever again, I wink of an eye, they were painted station. Wow, what do you mean by painted station? Now, many times what happens, what is the next station coming? What we look for. And when the train comes, if it doesn't stop, then what happens? With fast it moves away. And you see people painted station nicely written and all that. And the guard over there making visible. And then train passes. And you want to see which station is there, you cannot read even what is written. The name of the station also can't see. So that means it's going faster. Here is a child. Now, next he comes. The other side here is a child. Clambering with great difficulties walking. And they scramble or peep. All by himself. The child is playing. Gathering brambles. Small rose like flowers they are. He is gathering. Here is a tramp. There is one more tramp. Tramp means here, in our lesson here it is, the tramp is a beggar. Is a orphan boy, a poor boy. He is waiting, gazing, all these things. In that, who stands and gazes? Who stands and gazes? Accepts, looks. Gaze here means looking at sternly. That is called gazing. Looking at seriously. And with an expectation. This beggar is surely a lot of expectation here. The passengers will come and then drop in his hand some paise. And there is a green stringing the daisies. All there are greenery plain, grassy plain. Over that some daisies are coming. Some daisies, white flowers are coming. They look as if they are stringed. They are made garland like. They are stringed. String means threaded. That means made garland. Here is an explanation. This what is this? He explains how it looks. Next comes to the personalizing. He makes that all this is personalizes the body. So he says that here is a cart run away in the road. Is running. That means it's moving on the road. Lumping with great difficulty. It's moving. And here is a mill and the rivers, all beautiful sceneries that he comes across. Each a glimpse. It's only a glimpse, and they all pass by forever. They go on, they don't return back again, which he wants to enjoy. Yet they don't come. And they are gone forever. This is what the point is on. So dear students, all this expression he compares in the first. Then he makes characteristics of the poem. He explains the whole sceneries, whatever he sees, and then last he says that all they go and never come back. Very bad. And so you need to read once, try to understand. It's not at all difficult. So next time we will discuss further about the exercises and all that in the live class. If you have any problem, you ask in the live class. Okay? See you then.